Welcome to the advanced guide to Afterpay payment schedule. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in 4 interest-free installments. In this guide, we will walk you through the payment schedule and provide tips on how to use it effectively. First, let's understand how the payment schedule works. When you make a purchase using Afterpay, you will be required to pay 25% of the total amount up front. The remaining 75% will be split into 3 equal installments, which will be due every 2 weeks. For example, if you purchase an item for $100, you will pay $25 up front and $25 every 2 weeks for the next 6 weeks. This payment schedule applies to all purchases made using Afterpay, regardless of the amount. It's essential to note that Afterpay charges late fees if you miss a payment. The late fee is typically $10 or 25% of the missed installment, whichever is less. To avoid late fees, make sure to set up automatic payments or reminders for your payment due dates. To manage your Afterpay payment schedule effectively, it's crucial to keep track of your payment due dates and the amount you need to pay. You can do this by logging into your Afterpay account or using the Afterpay app. Best practices for using Afterpay payment schedule include making timely payments, keeping track of your spending, and avoiding overspending. It's also important to review the payment schedule before making a purchase to ensure you can afford the repayments. In conclusion, the Afterpay payment schedule is a convenient and interest-free way to pay for purchases. By understanding how the payment schedule works and following best practices, you can use Afterpay effectively and avoid late fees. Remember to always review the payment schedule before making a purchase and keep track of your payment due dates to ensure a seamless payment experience.